Choose any ATM of your convenience and stand a chance to win gold sovereigns.
LankaPay.
A convocation ceremony of the Bandaranaike Centre for International Studies was held yesterday at the Bandaranaike International Convention Centre in Colombo under the patronage of Prime Minister Dr. Harini Amarasuriya, former President and Chairperson of the BCIS, Chandrika Bandaranaike Kumaratunga, and head of the Maldives policy think tank, Eva Abdullah.
There is one issue that exacerbates all the other issues and all the other challenges for our countries, and that is we are poor, and we're becoming poorer and poorer. As our governments are forced to take one loan after another, to pay one creditor after another, our people and our governments and our countries are becoming poorer and poorer. As we do this, all of us in the debtor nations, we know we need ways that are centered around individual lives. As we do this, Maldives and Sri Lanka, good governance is key. Without good governance, however much money is pumped into our countries, whether by the IMF or bilateral, however much money is pumped into our countries, without good governance, it is nothing.
Our people have spoken loud and strongly. First, publicly through the Aragalaya, and now through two successive elections. They have clearly stated that they want a massive change, a radical change, turning upside down the systems of government we have had in this country for several decades, completely changing the type of leaders, their ethics, their knowledge, their education. But I would hasten to add that only education is also not enough to govern a country. We need goodwill, we need absolute honesty and experienced people to plan and implement government policies.
Many of you also belong to the 38% of Sri Lanka's citizens who I would call the younger generation or the youth. You have had a tough time. I understand the frustration you may feel with the political system and a culture that have hindered meaningful participation. You may have felt that your educational and economic opportunities were limited and that you were not able to live unpressured as equal members of society with dignity and respect. The Aragalaya call for a system change. Many of you might have been part of it. And here's your chance to contribute to achieving that change by putting your learning to good use as proactive citizens. Our main national interest in this point in time is to stabilize our economy and work towards economic recovery. As a part of Asia, where geopolitical tensions are rising among international and regional powers, our security and regional stability are likely to be challenged. Right now, Sri Lanka's foreign relations are influenced significantly by our attempts to recover from the economic and debt crisis. But we have important diplomatic recognition earned through some wise and correct actions of the past. We have been standing on the right side of history, promoting peace, sovereignty of nations on various international issues. We have never supported any international war, and we have a good name among many nations for our principled positions. Some of these positions we damaged in our recent past, but I think earlier on we were able to establish a good name for ourselves simply because of the principled positions we took on many contentious issues.